three most important concepts I learned in this course are connecting to audiences meaningfully, the role of strategy and branding, and collaboration in the branding process. Ivy Cohen taught me 5 different approaches to emotional marketing and how an approach should be chosen based on both the audience and the brand's identity. I learned that no matter the strategy, authenticity and consistent storytelling are key to building a credible, meaningful, and recognizable brand that resonates with customers. This was applied to my work to demonstrate the strategies used by Pepperidge Farm and Ralph Lauren to connect with audiences meaningfully. I'll apply this in my professional career to create successful emotional marketing campaigns, which can turn casual consumers into brand fans. From Jordan Loftus, I learned how and why using target audience research increases resonance by helping brands laser focus on the intersection of their audience's problems and their ability to help solve them. I applied this to my coursework as a reference for assignments and as support for the research program learning outcome. In my professional career, I can apply this to my design process as a way to prove or disprove assumptions and to create relevant, resonant content that's focused on customer needs. I learned from Brad Nix to view brand strategy as a way to direct one's creativity or as a roadmap to getting an objective resolved. From his real-world example, I learned that active investigation and analysis helps brands determine the best strategic direction to follow. This was applied to my coursework as a reference to compare and contrast the role of brand strategy against other examples. In my professional career, I can apply this by determining what the brand should focus on and then building a plan around that focus. Lindsay Peterson taught me that upon identifying what the brand offers that's truly different and needed by its audience, it can leverage focus to magnify its message and concentrate spending where it's most effective. This was applied to my coursework as a reference to show some ways the role of strategy and branding is beneficial when done right. In my career, I can apply this by optimizing brand messaging and innovation efforts to focus only on what matters most to the target audience. Sean Adams taught me how to use collaborative problem solving while working with clients on branding projects. I learned the importance of meeting with as many of the brand stakeholders as possible when gathering information, as it will produce broader, more realistic insights with more input. This applied to my coursework by reinforcing the collaboration program learning outcome. In my career, I can apply this by interviewing employees from the client's organization for research and by involving the client throughout each phase of the design process. In this article by Oscar Duberg and Haley Campbell, I learned ways that cross-functional collaboration improves brand management across an organization to facilitate the creation of on-brand assets and cohesive brand experiences. It was applied to my coursework as a reference to demonstrate benefits of collaboration in the branding process. In my career, I can apply this by encouraging communication between different departments and teams and creating a shared sense of responsibility for brand projects.